Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the handle on your 455 Rancher. This one starts with serial number 06, but I think most of them are the same. It's an all plastic handle, and what has happened is it's broken. So today I'm gonna show you how to replace it. I already took some of the screws out too. Got a bolt right here you want to remove. I removed it already. You got a bolt right here you want to remove. I removed it already. You got a bolt right here. That's what this right here sits at. This part right here sits in there like that. You want to remove that as well. On right here, you want to remove out of these plastic clippers down here. The little rubber grommet. You just take your flathead screwdriver and pry them out. And we're gonna do that now. You do want to take, if you can, take and remove this, your throttle cable out of the way. Set that to the side out the way. Now you got screws in here that you want to remove. I usually just take a little brake hammer and hit them and kind of get that dirt out the way. I usually have my electric impact doing this. It makes it so much easier, but it's dead and I don't have it, so I'm just showing you how to do it the old-fashioned way. Many people don't have those tools, so I'm just doing it by hand, taking my time. Like I said, no rush. Take your time, do it right. It pulls right out of there like that. You want to take these grommets out. You're gonna need these on your other one. Spray this off. You also want to take you some and screw this out. Looks like it's about look like 8 millimeters, but not really sure. See, it's 8 millimeters, and there it is. that out. You want to also take out the screw that's down in here. Just hit a little brake cleaner. Get it out, you want to set it to the side. I like to kind of look down in there, make sure there's a lot of dirt in there. So you want to kind of spray that, clean that out a little bit. Now that we got our new handle, we want to take it and screw that part, screw it back in there. Want to make sure the screw is going down straight. So that way you can do it if you don't have, like I said, if you have an anti, it makes it a whole lot easier. But I'm just working what I got today, showing you that you can do it with other stuff. You want to make sure you get that thing, get it down in there good. That's about it. You might have to do a little adjustment when you get it back on a piece of equipment. So we're just gonna bag off it just to have it. Now we're gonna do, we're gonna add all the little pin right here. So make sure it's straight. Put your bushes on here that you took off the oven. Like now that you got that off, you want to just take your thing and just do everything back in reverse. All right, now that we got everything back to get on that, we're gonna just take it and set it back inside the saw.
First bottom inside is this one here. You don't have to tighten it all the way down, just want to kind of get it started. This one goes right here on this one. See, I told you how it might have to be rotated. So, it needs to be rotated. Perfect. Just put that guy in there. Oh, you want to tighten this one down. Like I said, it kind of starts, I might have to just kind of take some pliers.
And that's it. Thank you for watching.